Cocktail number 3 is going to be a Rum Sour. I'm calling it a sour and not a daiquiri because I am actually using aged rum from Angostura, so good. And instead of lime, I actually use a lemon because I'd like to think that lemon pairs better with dark spirits. Not necessarily, but in this case, I would prefer to taste more of that rum, more of the sweetness of the rum. So I'm using lemons. And for me, honestly, a daiquiri is with light Cuban rum, lime and sugar. Here we're gonna use egg white, we're gonna use bitters, different rum and brown sugar. So Demerara simple syrup. To start making our drink, we're gonna need some type of a shaking vessel. I'm gonna try using my coffee thingy with which I drink coffee or tea. So I'm gonna start building all of my ingredients. First, 20 ml of Demerara simple syrup. Demerara. Then 30 ml of fresh lemon. Then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. This will bring more flavor, more complexity in our drink. This is optional. I'm gonna crack the egg and then use the egg white for some delicious foam on top. If you don't like eggs, then try using aquafaba. Finally, our delicious, beautiful from Angostura, 60 ml. It's a great rum. 5th drink will be also with this rum, so make sure to watch till the end. Now that we have all of our ingredients inside there, I'm gonna shake it first without ice and then add ice and shake it one more time. I'm doing this just to basically incorporate all the ingredients together, especially the egg. It's gonna need some extra shaking. So after dry shaking it, time to add some ice cubes in there and shake it one more time. And now it's time to strain our drink straight into an old fashioned glass. Oh, that turned out great. Okay, the cocktail is done. Now it's time to give it a beautiful garnish. I'm just going for an orange wedge and a cherry. A Rum Sour. Ooh, really good. Okay, next drink. Cocktail number 4 is going to be a Rum Manhattan. Normally the Manhattan will be prepared with whiskey, bourbon or rye. Rum is an aged spirit, it has enough aroma, it has enough flavor, so why not a Manhattan? Again, I'm gonna go with the Angostura. To get started, we're gonna build the ingredients into a mixing glass. 2 good dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2. 30 ml of sweet vermouth. Normally I would say Italian, but actually there are very good other brands now, so just some sweet vermouth that you like. And 60 ml of aged rum. Now let's stir this drink for about 30 seconds to mix everything, to give it some dilution, to chill our drink. After stirring our drink, use some type of a coupette or martini V-shaped glass and pour this beautiful cocktail into the glass. For the garnish, I'm gonna use a nice orange zest. Spray the oil. Just like this. That's it. Rum Manhattan. Delicious. Our 5th and last cocktail for this episode is going to be the Outrigger Cocktail. That is a type of a sour from the Daisy family, like the Sidecar or the Margarita. So it uses a base spirit, in this case Angostura 7 again, a type of a liqueur. This is an orange liqueur, dry curacao from the cognac house from Pierre Ferrand. It's my personal favorite, especially for brown spirits, because it's cognac base, it has more body, more aroma to it. Pairs really well with brown spirits, and in this case with rum, and a lemon juice. So the basic daisy ratio is 2-1-1. So we're gonna start by 60 ml of rum, 30 ml of dry curacao, and 30 ml of lemon juice. And again, I'm gonna use something different this time. It's a thermos, again for coffee or tea, but it's actually a great cocktail shaker as well because it has an integrated fine strainer. So even if you're shaking herbs or citrus, all those small pieces will be filtered. Awesome. Let's start by adding 30 ml of lemon juice, 30 ml of dry curacao or other type of orange liqueur, and 60 ml of aged rum, in this case Angostura 7. Okay, time to add ice cubes. Now give it a good shake. Sounds weird, feels weird, but it will taste good. All right, shaked. Now, time to strain into a beautiful coupette. Look at this. Let's try it. Oh, delicious. So good. Oh, so good. Okay, my friends, these are the drinks that I really wanted to show you. So if you enjoyed the video, then make sure to give us a like, subscribe to Home Sip Cocktails if you want to see future videos, if you want to see more videos like this. And also, what else? I'm not sure. I really want to get to drink those drinks finally. So that's it from me. See you next time. Peace.